Hmm. So before that we have seen how to retrieve data from one table only. Okay, but this is not the always case. Many times you may be having a query that requires that data should be retrieved from two or more tables. Okay, so in that case you need to have a mechanism to combine the data from both the tables, or whatever tables you are requiring. Only then you can answer that particular query. Okay, so let's say, suppose you are told to find out that find the name of the instructors, their ID, their salary, and their building's department name, sorry, their department's building name, or maybe budget also. So in this case you see that not all information is available in the instructor table. Building name and department name are actually available within department table. Okay, so in order to answer this query, you require that you should combine the data from instructor and department table. Okay, so we have already studied in relational algebra that Cartesian product is the operator that can help you to combine data from both the tables. So first let's do a simple Cartesian product in SQL, okay, on both the tables. So let's say, so in order to do Cartesian product, you know that you have to use select operator also, select star from. So Cartesian for doing Cartesian product you use from clause, or actually from clause is the clause that actually achieves Cartesian product. So you have to just list the tables whose Cartesian product need to be done, instructor and comma department name. Okay, select star from instructor comma department. So let's see the results. So total thousands records are there. So now let's observe some of these records. Sorry, let me come back to the results. Okay, so this is the results. So now you see that this is the ID that is coming from instructor table. In your instructor table have these 4 columns: ID, name, department name and salary, and department name has these 3 columns. So now in Cartesian product you see that there are total 7 columns, 4 that are coming from instructor table and 3 that are coming from department table. And now you see that data has been combined, and how the data is combined, just records are being has been combined with each other. So that means the first record of the instructor table, which is this one, this person's account table, and now you see that this record will be combined with every record of the department table. So now you see that this record is coming with statistics department's record in the department table. It is being combined with in this way, and then the same record, this one, is combined with other record in the department table, that is the record of psychology department. So now you see that this is the, so then the third, again the same record is combined with the third record of the department table, and so on. Similarly, second record will be combined with all the records of the department table, third record will be combined with all the records of department table, and so on. Okay, so that's why we are having a multiplication kind of thing. So your department table may be having, I guess, 20 records, and the instructor table have 50 records. So total is, so multiplication of both of them, 50 into 20, that means 1000. So that's why we are getting 1000 records. Okay, now you might have also observed that this is the not a valid combination that has been made by the Cartesian product. We have also discussed the same thing, because here you see the department name is accounting and here department name is teller, and you know that the person, this person is belonging to accounting department. So here only accounting department should be there. So now you see, if you see that this combination is a proper combination, this is a valid combination. Not this one, this was, sorry, I just marked the wrong record, this one. Okay, so this person belongs to accounting department. This is his salary, this is his department accounting, and this is the building name of the accounting department, this is the budget of the department. Now you see all other records are actually kind of giving a invalid information, that is not correct information. Okay, so you should remember that Cartesian product is just doing a blind combination of the records, it is not doing a intelligent combination. So you will get a record many records that are communicating a kind of wrong information. Okay, so many times when we combine the data, we need to just only get these kind of records, because this is the only record that is giving you the correct record, correct information in this case. Similarly, this will be true for any other department also, like athletics. Athletics department should match with the athletics department here itself. Okay, and other combinations are actually invalid combination. So whenever you are doing Cartesian product, you need to filter out these records. You need to remove such records that are creating a invalid kind of combination, these combinations. Only this record is valid, so you just need to choose only this record. And how you will choose this record? On the basis of common column. You see that department instructor table is also having department name, department table is also having a department name. So while doing Cartesian product, you need to combine these, you need to select or choose only these records. So how you will do this? On the basis of selection. So you need to use where clause also, so that you can choose only valid records. So let's do it. So here we will apply where clause, where what we will write. Now you know that both the tables have same department name. Department name is the common column in both of them, and in both the tables that column name is same. So we have to that in order to avoid any kind of confusion कि हम किस कॉलम को किस जगह रेफर कर रहे हैं, किस टेबल से रेफर कर रहे हैं, you table name need to be given. So we will write instructor dot department name equals, this is the way to correct only the valid records, table name dot column name. This is the way of selecting proper records. Okay, so now you see that we are only getting 50 records. Okay, now you see that here department names are matching. So this is the account person that belongs to account department, and his department name is this, and this is this. Okay, then you can see this person belongs to athletics, and this is the same record of athletics, and this is the building name, this is the budget, and this person is also belonging to this department athletics, and you see that the data is same. Here there is no incorrect information, both are the valid combination. यहाँ भी at the department name, athletics and building name are matching. You see that here both of them are same. Budget is also matching. So this is a correct set of records. Okay. So this is how you can choose only valid records. Now suppose that now you are told that find out the department, find out the ID, name and salary, comma budget of all the instructors that belongs to, let's say, statistics department or computer science department. So let me write a query. So what I want to select ID, comma name, comma let's say salary from the name of the tables, both instructor, comma department where. This condition I need to repeat, this condition. I'm just copying it and just pasting it. Okay. In addition to that, what a condition I want? Department name should be computer science, let's say. Now you might have noticed one thing, this will not work until, because here which department I am going to refer, that you need to make it clear. So let's say instructor dot डिपार्टमेंट नेम डॉट डिपार्टमेंट नेम भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते, डिपार्टमेंट डॉट डिपार्टमेंट नेम भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते थे, बट आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. लेट्स रन दिस. सम मिस्टेक. Let's use double quote here. I think some typo is there. Let me find out that typo. Okay, I forgot to add and here. Some logical operator need to get it because I'm combining both the conditions. Okay, what is name dot salary? Okay, comma, there will be comma. I forgot to, in place of comma I have added dot. Okay, id, name, salary, department where, I think now it is correct. So now you see that I am getting only those records. So now this thing I think this thing we can get retrieve without the department. So let's add the department building name also, or budget. So building. Okay, so now building name is also coming. You can, if you want to retrieve department name also, then you can add department name, but which department name, kaun sa wala, there are two departments, so you have to make it clear. Instructor. So let me tell you how the problem will arise. It will not recognize because there are two department names, so which department name you want, you have to make it clear. So either you can write instructor dot department name, let me check the spelling. Instructor. Okay, is there any issue? Okay, comma is not given. Okay, department name. Why it is taking building comma salary? Okay, comma छूट गया था. Okay, so this is salary. If you want to budget also, want to retrieve budget also, you can write budget here also. You can add budget. Okay, so this is the data that we are getting. So this is how we can combine the data. Now you can observe that one thing, this kind of manually filtering out the filtering out the wrong records is a kind of inconvenient. So there is an option that you can have is natural join. So you can do natural join, and natural join will do this task automatically for you, and it will also choose only one common value. So this problem will also be resolved. So let me write the same query using natural join. You just natural join department and where, and now I'm knowingly writing this so that you will understand what is the issue here. Okay, so let me check. I have from instructor natural join department where this. Okay, so now this is not a issue. Okay, but if you remove this also, it will work. Now you don't have any problem. You can just write department like that, and you can also remove instructor from here. Okay, so now I'm getting the same thing. So that's why natural join is a good operator. I have already explained you in relational algebra. Natural join is not a operator that is increasing the power, that was increasing the power of relational algebra. It is just giving you a way of writing query in a more convenient way. Now you see that condition, I don't need to put this condition, because this condition every time I have to type this condition, and this condition makes your query a bit lengthy. So if you are having natural join, you don't need to write these kind of stuffs, and also don't need to repeat the table name in order to resolve the confusion that arise due to common column names. So this is the better way of writing, or this is a more convenient way of writing the query, because natural join will make your query more convenient. Okay, so now rather than using all this always, I will just use natural join. Okay, so I think you may have understood what is the role of natural join and why it is important. However, you should understand that we can also work without natural join. Natural join is not going to add new power in your SQL. Actually, whatever you can do using natural join, you can do that with the Cartesian product also. You have to do however, you have to do it manually. Natural join is doing these things automatically for you. Okay, so now let's do some queries. Now suppose that you are told that find out let's say instructors of the statistics department with their budgets. So let's say select name, comma, let's say salary. Let me also show the department name, comma, building budget from instructor, natural join, department, where let's say department name is statistics. Sorry, dpt underscore name equal to statistics. Okay, so what we are going to retrieve: name, salary, department name of the instructor, and the building name of his department and his department's budget. Okay, and all these information are being retrieved for statistics department. So this is the detail of statistics department's instructors. So these are the instructors of the department. This is the name of the instructors department. This is salary, department name, building name, and so on. Okay, now so this is how you can use natural join. Now sometimes you may be seeing that this attribute name that is appearing here may not be looking good. So let's say you want to modify it. So let me show you how we can modify this name. I want that this name should be appear like that in the answer, inst underscore name. Okay, और आप full चाहें तो लिख सकते हैं full नाम instructor. Okay, so you just need to add as keyword and you can give a new name to change this name. Okay, so now let's run this. Now you see that instructor name. So some more meaningful name is being displayed now. So if you want to as for example, similarly you can write here annual salary in place of salary. You can write it also there, salary as annual salary. Okay, when your name is with having a single word, you don't need to write anything, comma, or sorry, this quote is not necessary. But if the name having more than 2 words, then you have to use this quotation mark. Okay, now you see that new name is given to the column. So this is how you also can change the results of the title of the column that is being displayed. Okay, now one more thing. Suppose you may also want that these results should be displayed in the increasing order of the name. Okay, so you can use order by clause here, order by name. Okay, so now you see that ABC the results have been sorted in the increasing order of the name. Okay, So increasing order is default, so that's why I have not written anything. If you want that it should be in decreasing order, you can write DESC. Sorry. Okay, so now you can see that results are now written in decreasing order of dictionary order. Okay, you can write them in also increasing order of salary as well, also order by salary, and ascending order mein chahte ho, you can write ASC. So now the records are in ascending order of the salary. Okay, if you want that the results should be in descending order of the salary, you can write DESC. So this is the application of order by clause. Now in this clause you can do ordering on the more than one column also. I'm not let's see, order by name ASC comma salary ASC. Okay, so name has been arranged in this way. Okay, so first I have written order by name in ascending, so your name will appear in ascending order. Now what is the purpose of this? So now you see that I have written that salary should also appear in ascending order, but actually salary will, if you see that salary is not in ascending order. So why this ordering is working? Why then why this ordering is? So it may be the case that now you may be having two people with this name areas, and their salary may be two different values. So obviously their salary, one's salary will be lower and other one's salary is higher because they are having different salary. Let's assume that they are having different salary. So now in the case of when name are being tied or their name are same, then the order will be decided on the basis of their salary. So the person who is there are, let's assume that there are three persons with this name, then their name will not change the order of them because they will appear consecutively. But when you are ascending you are just arranging the record in the ascending value of salary, then these persons record that are having this name areas will be arranged on the basis of salary. So the person areas who is having higher salary will appear first, and then areas with second higher will appear on second place, and the person that is having areas, the name is the same actually, the person is having third highest or let's say the lowest salary will appear on third place, and so on. So this sorting will be done when this sorting is done, and there is a tie. When there is a tie on the name, then to arrange the orders that is having name tie will be arranged on the basis of salary. Okay, so I think we should close now at that point. So in next class we will see some more operators or some more aspects of SQL. Okay, so if you have any query you can ask.